Hey, welcome back to Nick Vic Locks. Today I have a Corbin brass body padlock. An older model. I'm not sure on the age or anything. Somebody more experienced and knowledgeable than me can come up with it. Made in USA. You can see here on this side, if it'll focus. There we go. Something like a Bible cover here. So drilling this out, I could probably get to the pins, but that's just going to destroy this lock. And I don't want to do that. I may eventually at some point try to clean it up, polish it, make it look all pretty. But for now, this is what it is. I picked it up off of Macari in a bundle deal with some other locks. I've picked it open a few times. The first time I picked it open, I cleaned it, and it was disgusting. Excuse me. So I've cleaned out a lot of the gunk and dirt that was in it. But we'll see if we can't see what it takes to get into this thing and get it open. All right, let's see if we can get this thing open. We're using the Padlock 47,000 1.2 millimeter top keyway, Moki shallow hook, and start with 5. That's at 4, 3, 4 actually gets set. That's 5, 3. 2, 1, 2. We got 2 for the set. 3, 5 came out. Let's drop a bunch of stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's just reset that. Okay. 5. 5. Here we go. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. No. These pins are still real stiff and dirty. Oh. There we go. Is that locked up? It's a little bit longer to get into. Feedback is trash on it. All the dirt and everything in there. So, yeah. That's the Corbin lock. I drop into a false set with it, so there might be some spools or something in there, but I'm not 100% sure. I don't really feel like tearing the thing apart and destroying it to find out. So That's the Corbin lock. Brass-bodied, solid padlock. Nobody told you. You matter. You're important. And I'm glad you're here. Y'all have a good night.
Juno, you want to subscribe?